Hi everyone! In this tutorial, you will learn how to change the background image on scroll using CSS and JavaScript. So I have here the output of the tutorial. So let's take a look. So upon scrolling down, it will change the image. And then if I scroll up again, it will show the previous images. There. So let's now start coding. Starting with the HTML, we will need double containers for the images and then we will add the images as background image to the div. Then let's add the CSS. And now let's proceed to adding the JavaScript. There. That's how you do it. I hope you find this video helpful.